If Photoshop is opening and then crashing with a Photoshop.exe application error, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through 4 proven fixes that can help stop Photoshop from failing at startup. We'll reset Photoshop settings folder, force it to use your high-performance graphics card, update your GPU drivers with a clean install, and check whether Windows permissions are blocking the app. This is a simple step-by-step guide, so even if you're not super technical, you can follow along easily. And before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's fix it. The first thing we want to do is reset Photoshop settings folder. Corrupted preference files are one of the most common reasons Photoshop.exe crashes instantly when it tries to start. To do this, press the Windows key and R on your keyboard to open the Run box. In the field, type %appdata%\Adobe, then click OK. This opens the Adobe folder inside your roaming app data directory. Now look for the folder with your Photoshop version name, such as Adobe Photoshop 2026, or whichever version you have installed. Right-click that folder, choose Rename, and change it to something like Adobe Photoshop 2026 OLD. This does not delete your files, it simply forces Photoshop to create a fresh, clean settings folder the next time it launches. After renaming it, try opening Photoshop again and see if the error is gone. If Photoshop still won't open, the next fix is to force it to use your high-performance graphics card. This is especially important if your computer has both integrated graphics and a dedicated GPU, like NVIDIA or AMD. Sometimes, Windows assigns the wrong graphics processor, and that can cause an application initialization error. To change this, click the Start menu and type Graphics Settings, then press Enter. Under Custom Options for Apps, click Browse. Now go to your Photoshop installation folder, which is usually located in C Drive, Program Files, Adobe Photoshop 2026. Find Photoshop.exe and double-click it to add it to the list. Once it appears, click on it, select Options and set it to High Performance. After that, click Save. This tells Windows to use your dedicated graphics card when Photoshop launches, which can solve a lot of startup problems. Now let's move on to the GPU driver itself. Because outdated or corrupted graphics drivers can also trigger Photoshop.exe application errors. To check this, right-click the Windows Start menu and open Device Manager. In Device Manager, find Display Adapters and click the arrow to expand the list. Right-click your dedicated graphics card, whether it's NVIDIA or AMD, and choose Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers first. If Windows finds an update, install it and restart your computer. If it does not find anything new, go directly to the official NVIDIA or AMD website and download the latest studio driver for your exact card model. During installation, choose the Clean Install option if it is available. This helps remove older, corrupted driver files that could be interfering with Photoshop. The final fix is to check for Windows administrative restrictions. In some cases, Windows permissions can block Photoshop.exe from accessing the system folders it needs to launch properly. To test this, go back to your Photoshop installation folder in C, Program Files, Adobe Photoshop 2026. Right-click Photoshop.exe and choose Properties. At the top, click the Compatibility tab. Then check the box that says, Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply, then OK. Now launch Photoshop directly from that folder and see if it opens correctly. If it works this way, the issue may have been related to permissions or access control. By the way, if one fix doesn't solve the problem right away, keep going through the full list. These issues are often caused by a combination of settings, drivers, and Windows configuration, so the solution may be one step away. The good news is that all 4 of these methods are safe and commonly used to fix Photoshop startup errors without reinstalling everything from scratch. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful software fixes, app error solutions, and computer troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.